Hello friends and hello student. My name is Shopsi Jala. In this session, we learn the how to pass one activity to another activity in Android. So yes, let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, Edit Eclipse I already open, and we first step we can start to our Android Virtual Device Manager. So here we can select AVD and start and launch. So our device is ready. So yes, wait few seconds. Yes, that takes some time, and yes, that appear. So I take as minimize and close this window. And next step we can take in file menu, new and Android application project. So here that is a intent. Yes, so message passing object. So yes, here that we have to pass one activity to another activity. So that is a there are two types of intent, explicit and implicit. So explicit means within a one apps we have to communicate any component of like service activities. So that is a known as a explicit intent. So we can specify the component, and implicit means internal. So outside the we can call any component, like we can call open our browser. So that is a call implicit intent. And we can not specify component, just give the URL or any path. So here we can see the explicit how to move, only just we have to move one activity to another. So that is a explicit intent. So yes, that is a we can say that explicit. So that is a yes, and that intent. So intent is a message passing object in Android. So that demo is already there. So here we can say that explicit intent demo. Yes, that is perfectly. So next, yes, here that our workplace Android underscore demo that is already selected. So next here that our icon and means the logo and background color you have to change also. And blank activity, yes, that is by default selected. Main activity, that our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is XML based our layout file in Android. So finish button I click and take some process, and then open our create our apps in Android. So wait few seconds. So that takes some, yes, now that is perfectly. So yes, what to do? So here first there is very important in this session how to take a new or second activity. So every application in a one is a main activity. So that is a defined in activity and application activity tag, and that is a intent filtering that our Android manifest file. So first, yes, I see you. So here that I remove first that text view, and we can open, yes, how first that activity is a main, how to launch. So here Android manifest file, and that we can I open and I see you. So here you can see that is a intent filtering activity, that is a tag Android manifest, that root tag and user SDK, yes, and then application activity and intent filter, that is a action and category. One is a action is a main or activity, and launcher, that is a category. So launch, so where always that main activity launch. So we how to move one activity to another. So that is a explicit intent. So here we can use. So yes, start. Yes, I first take one button, and that we have to move of our main activity to other activity. So here I take as text view, yes, and we can take that is a main activity. So let us start first. We can design and change our text view and button ID. So yes, that is a first is a button. So BT, and we can say that next. So yes, BT next or BTN next, and then here we just take as a next and take some layout. So here that is a Android, and that we can say that text color. So yes, has sign, and that is 00F. So that is a blue color. And then Android dot text style. So that is a we can say that bold. Yes. So that perfectly. And Now what to do? So here we can text view, we can say that that is a main activity. So yes, that is a main activity. So and then I also take some layout one, that is a, we can say that mm, like text color, and that is a hash sign, and that is a, we can say that highlights. So that is a, we give like f f f 4f and 00. So let us take, and that is hexadecimal code, and then the text size. So that is a text size, yes. So text size we have to provide, and that is 30 dp, yes. So that is sufficient, I can save. Yes, let us check our graphics tab, so that how it's look. So you can, that is a yellow color, yes. So and next, so that is our main activity, yes. And next, that blue color in text. So now what to do? So yes, we can take one next second activity. That is very important step in Android. So yes, first how to take as a next activity. So in our SRC, that source folder, and that our package. So first you can select your package and right click. So yes, that is right click, and here that is a new, and new option you can go in other, last one, that is a others. And here there are so many, first that that type of appear, and expand your Android folder. And then here that is a activity, Android activity, yes. Next, so that is again blank activity, yes, perfect, selected. So here that giving the error, because main activity, yes, that already that is our Java, and activity underscore, that is a XML based layout. So both, that name is already there. So what to do? So here we can give like second, yes, or you can say that sub or child, that is a child. So you can look here combination. So second activity and activity underscore second, that is our, so that is a coordination. Like here is a main activity, and activity underscore main, that is a XML based layout file. So here we can take second activity. I give the name second. So that is a prefix second activity, and here is a last activity and underscore second. So that is a coordination. Yes, next. So that is a, our Android manifest file XML, that is a linking, means that child activity. So yes, finish. So yes, that is our, you can look here. So second activity Java file, and activity and also second XML file. And same here you can see that hello word is appear. So now I use in this same hello word, that text view is there. You have to know that control is text view. So what to do? So here we can give that I remove this uh, string resources, and we can give the name here second activity. Yes, so that is a second activity, and we can take some text color. So text color. So text, yes, now is appear. So here we can say that 00FFF. So that is, I think, shine color is there, and text size we have to also provide. So that is some big color and that text size. So that is, we can say that like 30 sp or dp, yes. So scalable independent pixel. So you can look now how it's look. So you can look here, that is a second activity. And yes, that is very important step. So yes, I revise. So what to do? So you can click your package, right click, and new, and then other, and then you can select your activity. Yes, that is very easy. I just revise. So new, yes, first I right click in package, that src source folder, and then new, and then go into other, and then you can select Android folder and activity, and then next, again blank activity. Next, here you can give the, yes, again error, because I take so that is I already take. So just revise. So that is a very important. So now we can write only two line. So we can first move to the main activity to second activity, and then we can back button. So that is means first use we can back button, and then we can also take back button in second activity. So go in the main activity, that is our target. So that is a message passing object, and that is a explicit intent. Types of, there are two types of implicit and explicit. So intent is a definition message passing object. You can communicate to any component, like any service you can start, your activity launch, that all are in under that is work in the intent. So yes, that perfectly. So let us check. We can open our main activity Java file, and here we can take as a button reference. So that is like v1. Yes, so that is a reference. Yes, that package we have to import. So that taking error. Yes, import android.widget. And now what to do? So here v1 find UI ID, and that find r.id. Yes, that is a bt next. Yes, so and type custom, that must require. And here that we can take, yes, b1 and set on click listener. Yes, so that is a perfectly and nameless object. So you can also specify on click event in xml, so you cannot register this listener. So yes, we can check in the next activity this type of button click event. So there are totally three different coding technique in Android. So you can also listener use in the implement keywords in your class. That is a set on click listener directly, that anonymous inner type, and directly write on click in XML based file. So we can see there are two techniques. First, that is general technique. So that is a anonymous inner type. So all on click method right in the within a parenthesis. So you can look here. So that I give the semicolon. Yes, that perfectly. And then here on click, yes, I take as an import. So view package, all error is gone because on click listener package is import. And now what to do? So here we can take as an intent object. So that is a message passing object. So yes, intent that I declare as I, and new, and again intent that giving the error, but we can import that package. So that is a content package. Yes, Android dot, you can look here, Android dot content package that come in the intent class. Yes. So here that, yes, first that is a intent. So yes, here t is remaining. Yes, now perfectly. And now there are, we can pass to, so which place we have to show. So that is a source to destination. So here our main activity. So here that is a main activity, and that pass this. So that is a pass current main activity pointer. And second constructor argument is a we have to go means destination. So that is a second activity, and that is a class file, that bytecode file. So that is a, we can say that class file we have to write. And then yes, start activity, that is a method of contact class inherit in activity class. So you can look here, that is a activity class, but that is a context class actually, that method start activity. And we can pass the intent that parameter. So yes, that start and just I. So yes, here we cannot pass any data. You have to also pass, but wait my upcoming video lecture. So I just only see you in this session how to take new activity and how to pass one activity to other activity. So yes, that two line is sufficient. So you can look very easy in Android. So that is a intent, and that two parameterized constructor. So which place you have to, so that is a main activity dot this, and where you have to go. So that is a second activity dot class file. So here you can pass first argument as a pointer and second as a class file. So that is a bytecode file. And then start activity and pass the object of intent. So let us check. I save this file, means Control S you can also press, and yes, our device is ready. So let us we can see that demo. So that we have to right click and run as Android apps. So here, yes, now that window is appear. So yes, now it's appear. So run as Android application. So look here, that is our device is ready. I open the lock and wait few seconds, because here that SDK means run. So that APK and DEX Dalvik executable file is created in bin folder. So yes, that now that run our apps is running. So yes, intent, what is a intent? Intent is a message passing object, and there are two types of intent, explicit and implicit. So here we can say that explicit. So main activity, yes, that button I can press. So yes, that is second activity. Look here very perfectly. So that is a second activity. And here I take as a back button from this device. So yes, let us check. So yes, again, that is a main activity. So explicit intent demo. And again I press next button, so that go in second activity. But now what to do here, we can take one button and go to the main activity. So yes, that is very important, and we can use in second technique of on click, means directly register in the second activity XML file button click event. So yes, first we can second activity, yes, that is second activity. And then we can take also button in this activity. So yes, that is not linked with the text view, otherwise that typecasting error. Yes, now that perfectly. So here we can first change that id and text. So that is, we can say that bt, yes, btn and back that id. And here we can text as a back. So yes, bsk, but not, yes, bsk. And here that text color of button, so text color, this. And also that is a hash 00 blue. Okay, and then we can take as a text style, so that we can take as bold. Yes, and directly I take click event, so we cannot register or anonymous inner type. So on click event, you can look here. So here we can take bt uh, back and underscore click, so that we can remember. Yes, bt back. So yes, you can also copy, but you can remember also. So I can save, and we can apply the second activity java file. That is, you can look here. First we can change, yes, back button, yes, perfectly. So now we can write second activity. I open, double click that java file, and here we cannot take like button reference and find you by id directly, simple way. So there is a very short technique, directly view that public void, yes, and that bt back, yes, underscore click. So that is our event name. So directly you can look here, very easy techniques. And here one, that is a view in, yes, I just show you in our main activity java file. You can look here, that is on click, and that is passed as a one parameter, our parent. So view class, so that is a every user screen element in android, that is a parent class is a view class. So that is a pass as a on click event argument. So same that we have to here pass as a view, and that package we have to import. So otherwise that taking error. So yes, now that package import and error is gone. And yes, same that we can create intent. So that is an object of intent. So yes, that t is remaining. Yes, so I, yes, you can look take any variable name. And yes, second not, but intent. So then is a message passing object. And here what to do, so here that first we can pass as a main second activity. Main activity is not there because we have to go in the second activity. And here that is and main activity class file, so that is a reverse in first our main activity. So here you can class file, so that is same. And then start activity, yes, that is a method of activity class. So you can look here, that is a start activity, and pass the intent to I. So intent, so but that is a, yes, first we can import the package. So yes, that error is gone, and let us check. I save, Control S you can press. So that is a very simple and short technique. So previous is a anonymous inner type in main. So you can look what is the difference. So here first you can take as button reference, and then that type means r.java that id fetch to b1, and then you can register set on click listener and anonymous inner type. So all that method writing within the parenthesis. So, and here you can look in second activity, same button click event, but we can write in the our XML file. So very short, directly you can write in XML based file. So on click, yes, that attributes that event and bt back underscore click, you can give the same name in your coding file. So bt back underscore click, yes, yes, here that BSCK, yes. So that perfectly. Otherwise, you can copy and paste. So there is no mistake. Yes. So very observation, vitally very clear and neat. You have to write. So or not a mistake of typing mistake any. Otherwise, taking error. Yes. So I think perfectly. So let us run that back button. We can define to ourselves in the second activity. So again, yes, I run in the same here this button explicit intent underscore demo, and yes, our device is already ready. So you can look that is a previously our run apps output, but that now yes clear, and now that is we can save and then run again. So that is give the latest or apps output in Android. So yes, that coming, you can look here, that is a main activity. I press next button, so that taking second activity and back button. So yes, now I can press back button. So yes, that is a unfortunately demo has stopped. Yes, so here there is a error. So what is error? So let us check. So yes, that is a taking error. So what is a error? You can see in locate window any error in Android, and here very important. So I already take how to uh, detect and solution of error. So no such method. Yes, that is a that name is yes. We can check. So spelling typing mistake is there. So method is not find out by Android. So what is this? So yes, our method name. So here that is a button of second activity. Yes, and then we can check yes that name. So yes, here that is also same back. So that is a CK. Yes, now that perfectly. So yes, that typing mistake is same problem. So BT back underscore click. Now that correction. So that is our keyboard. That habit is reflect to in this name giving the name. So yes, BT black back and click. So that now is perfectly. So yes, and any we can remaining. Yes, I just copy. So yes, I think that now is perfect. So we can go in Java file and you can look here. That is I select. So we cannot mistake again. Yes, that passed. So I think that perfectly now. So again now run. Yes, save. Let us check that error is gone. So that is a very important. So yes, any error is reflect. So we can cover also. Yes, error is coming, but not worry. We can solve that error. So you can look in the locate window. So any detect and how you can detect. Yes, I have to find. So you can look here. So many red lines. So here one line is a cause by, that is a reason of which. So here Java language no such method exception. So BT back that not found. So we can solve that. That name is not perfectly. So that is a perfectly. Now let us check. So yes, again perfectly. So I can press. So yes, that perfectly and back. So yes, now perfectly. So no worry. If any error is coming in Android that is caused by, you can that detect and then solve. So yes, I also cover in this session that by mistake I typing, but that is very important for your knowledge. So how the error is coming and how to solution is also completing this session. So that is a my second attempt. So means I already take one demo how to detect your error. So many locate red line is there. So how you can find and solution. So here our main goal is we can pass one activity to another, and again we can yes, I press again main activity. So that is a second activity and back. So that is a main activity. Yes, very perfectly. So any question regarding this demo, you can write the comment section. I give the definitely answer to you. Yes, here only revision is just two line and very that is a second way we can apply in this second activity. And main activity we can take as a general, that is a set on click listener. That is a almost you can see any net link or any reference book that is giving this type of syntax. So that is a anonymous inner type set on click listener, and that is a nameless object, and all method right under the within the parentheses. So and here what to do. So in second technique you can write yes here that no any spelling mistake. So on click BT back click, yes, same name we can apply. That error is not so only very easy. That is a very short. So we cannot that automatically that listener it trigger means on click event is fire or run. So now I think complete our session. So that is a explicit intent, and next upcoming my video lecture I can pass one activity data to other activity using the intent, explicit intent. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.